Welcome back, dear students. So today we are going to start a new exercise on mean and median for ungrouped data only. Okay. So in the last class we learned how to find mean for ungrouped data. But today we are going to learn a new concept that is called median, and we'll learn how to find median for ungrouped data. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of median, or rather what is the formula for calculating median? Let's learn about that. Okay, so the exercise that we are going to do today is 19b, and median of raw data. Raw data is also known as ungrouped data. Okay, now first and foremost you will be given some data. You have to arrange that raw data in ascending or descending order. Okay, so it will be better if you keep your data in ascending order. Okay, now if n is the number of variates in the data, okay, then median, there are two formula for median. Now this n is the number of variates, isn't it? Now when this n is odd, then median will be n plus 1 by 2th variate. Okay, and if n is even, then median will be this one. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, now let's see the first question for the day. Find the median of this data. So first and foremost, you know that you have to write the data in ascending order, right? So firstly, arrange the numbers in ascending order. So when you arrange, you get this, isn't it? Now how many data or how many observations or variates are there? There are exactly 9, isn't it? Which is odd, right? Now in earlier formula you saw that if n is odd, then your median will be n plus 1 by 2th term, isn't it? Now what is n? N is 9, so just put the value of n. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 by 2 is how much? 10 by 2 is 5. So that means in this ascending series, the fifth term will be your median. So which one is fifth? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 26 is the fifth one, isn't it? So that's why your median is 26. Okay, very simple. Pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so let's take this question now. So again, you need to find the median, and before that we'll first arrange the given numbers in ascending order. So when you arrange them in ascending order, you get this one. Okay, now how many numbers are there? Here the number of terms or number of variates is equals to 10. Now tell me whether 10 is even or odd. Definitely it's even, right? Now if n is even, then the formula for calculating median is this one. Okay, we have already seen the formula. Now let's put the value of n. N is 10. So when you put n equals to 10 here and n equals to 10 here, you get this. You get, and see, these two gets cancelled, so you get 5 here, and here again you get 5 plus 1, which is 6. So it will be equals to half into value of, this is fifth term, and this is how much? 5 plus 1 is sixth term. Now what is the fifth term here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your fifth term, and your sixth term is 200. Okay, so that's why you have this much, right? Plus is there, add them, you get 394, and 2 and 394 that gets cancelled, you get 197. That means your median for this data is how much? It is exactly 197. Okay, pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so we have number 2. The following data have been arranged in ascending order. So the given data is there. This is already in there in ascending order. If the median is 63, find the value of x. So can you see x out here? Yes. So this is already in the ascending order. Okay, so the given numbers are this. So how many are there? Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this x plus 2 is 1. Okay, so together 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we see that number of terms is 10, which is again even. Now for even, your median formula is this one, isn't it? So like earlier one, we have median turns out to be 1 by 2, value fifth term plus value of sixth term. What is the fifth term here? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth term is x, and what is the sixth term? Obviously sixth term becomes x plus 2. So here we have, okay, so median is given to be how much? It is given to 63. So in place of median, I have written 63 equals to half. So what is the value of fifth term? From here you saw that this is x. And what is the value of sixth term? It is x plus 2, isn't it? Okay, so x plus x is 2x. So we have 2x plus 2 divided by 2, right? So 2x plus 2 divided by 2 is equals to 63. Bring this 2 out here and do all the simplification part. Okay, then you get your answer to be 62. That is the value of x from this turns out to be 62. All right, pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so let's take last question here. So out of 10 students who appeared in a test, 3 secured less than 30 marks and 3 secured more than 75 marks. Okay, the marks scored by the remaining 4 students are 35, 48, 66 and 40. Okay, find the median score of the whole group. Okay, now here how many observations are there? Obviously 10 students means here n is 10, which is even, isn't it? So in case of even, you know that the median will turn out to be this much. Okay, fine. Now what you can observe here is 35, 48, 66, 40. The 4 scores are given and the rest scores are, see, one is 3 people have got less than 30. So less than 30 means it should be, if see, you know that you first arrange the data in ascending order, isn't it? So that means the ones who have got 30 will come to the left of 35. Okay, and 3 secured more than 75. So more than 75 means they will come in the right side of the 66. I'm sorry, right? 66 is the highest out of 4. So the 75 markers will go to the right of the 66 when you put them in ascending order, right? So that's why according to the given information, the data in ascending order is as follows. Okay, so you know 3 people have got, I told you 3 people have got less than 30, so that's why they will come to the left of 35. And 3 people have got more than 75, so that's why they'll come to the right of 66, right? Okay, now are they in ascending order? Definitely yes. Okay, now let's see which one is the fifth value. So altogether this covers 3 values. So this is my fourth, this is my fifth. So my fifth value is 40 and obviously sixth value will be 48. So that's why your median will be half into value of fifth term, that is 40, plus value of sixth term, that is 48. So 40 plus 48 is 88. So 88 by 2 turns out to be 44. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. And with this we close the second exercise, that is 19b. The rest of the sums you will do by yourself. Okay, thank you very much.